Just hopped out of the shower. If there's one thing that I really don't enjoy doing, it's ironing. Alright, you guys, I need your opinion on something. Without a belt or with a belt? One more time. Without a belt or with a belt? Please let me know in the comments below what you think looks better. Dámelo, Cane. So much for that. Holy crap. It just came. Look, look, look. Come over here. Point at that. Point at that. Right there. You see it? Cool. Awesome. Awesome blossom. I ordered a camera on eBay like, what, 3 days ago. I won it on an auction for like $130. And I finally got it. Cool! Alright, so now I'm recording with my new camera. I've actually had this camera before, but I lost it at Walmart. I know. So I ordered another one on...
water bottle at Walmart too.
So now I got another one, and I don't have to use this one. I was borrowing this one for a long time. It's kind of weird. That burger was alright. Could have done better. I'm here at the gasoline station, and one of the things that I absolutely hate is every time I'm at a gasoline station or I'm going to a grocery store, I get asked for change. Something like, oh, yo, you got any money, man? I'm just hungry, I'm homeless, or I ran out of gas. Like, God. I hate slamming my door. Thank God. Nobody asked me for change. No homeless person asked me for drugs. Thank God. Now I can just move on with my life. Alright, let's go. I mean, it's a beautiful day outside. Look at this. It's just a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine?